Possibly. I can't wait to see that little adoptable puppy.
Same here.
Well, it's 6:47, and we want to check in with Carson again because he is keeping an eye on some flooding concerns.
Yeah, and does that start today or into tomorrow, or is it a tomorrow concern?
Well, the rain is starting now, guys, but as far as flooding, that's more so of an issue tomorrow. But the rain's going to be pretty much nonstop over the next couple of days. On the way, 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network right now. East of I-65, actually getting a small break in the more widespread shower activity. Still some lingering drizzle here in Madison County, right over downtown Huntsville, actually. But let's go to northwest Alabama. That's where we're seeing a bit more widespread coverage in those showers right now. Much of Lauderdale County, Florence, Rogersville, down towards Cortland and Hillsborough and Town Creek and Lawrence County, even starting to make its way out of Muscle Shoals and Tuscumbia right now. That rain, another round of rain, is moving into Limestone County. So if you're in Athens along 65, US 31, going to start to see more raindrops over the next 15 to 30 minutes. Let's zoom this out a little bit. We've been talking a lot about this monster winter storm just now getting its act together. There it is. Now, this is actually all the rain we're seeing right now. This is thanks to this massive winter storm. Thankfully, we'll be on the warm side of it. Not expecting winter weather here at home, but you can see all of that snow stretching all the way to Albuquerque, New Mexico, all the way up to Toronto, Canada. This is a massive winter storm. You can see all those winter storm warnings in effect in those pink colors. And where you see this dark purple, by the way, so this stretches from Louisville, Kentucky down to Memphis, Tennessee. That is an ice storm warning. Those folks along the Ohio River can see upwards of a half-inch of ice as we go through really the daytime hours tomorrow. But again, here at home, just focused on plain rain, but a lot of it. On the way, 31 Skycam Network, sponsored by Thompson Roofing and Construction. Obviously a very gloomy picture out there. Temperatures hovering in the low 50s right now, and thanks to that cloud cover and all of the rain throughout the day, we're not going to warm up a whole lot. I think those forecast highs wind up in the mid, maybe upper 50s when all is said and done today. So let's go through future radar. This data source doing a really good job of pinpointing wave after wave after wave of these showers all day. As far as the heavy rainfall potential, that starts around midnight tonight. That's when that flood watch goes into effect. You can see that first round of heavier rain moving in, according to this data source, around the midnight hour tonight. And by the time we get to the morning drive for your Thursday, we'll start to see even more waves of heavier rain that just will not go anywhere. And with all of these showers and these heavier downpours training over the same spots, that's where the flooding potential comes into play. In fact, as the actual cold front starts to make its way north Alabama tomorrow afternoon, we may have a line of thunderstorms develop, especially by 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I'm not expecting these thunderstorms to be severe, but we could definitely see some gusts closer to 40 miles per hour on top of that heavier rainfall potential. And then by 7 o'clock tomorrow night, we finally start to see the rain come to an end. Unfortunately, our rainfall forecast has increased once again. Everybody looking at widespread amounts of 3 to 4 inches of rain, and you see these orange colors along the I-65 corridor. That's where we can see locally higher amounts closer to 4, maybe 5 inches just in the next couple of days. We're going to watch that flash flooding potential very closely, as well as those creeks and rivers. They will likely rise over the next few days. Once that front moves out, as you see on the 7-day forecast, temperatures crash on Friday to near 40, and we'll stay in the 40s, close to 50 heading into next week.
All right, Carson.